Yeah, to be very honest, the environment is really good. I was really surprised and I really felt so pleasant. The moment I put my foot in Clini Launch, I was really happy. If a class is going on, it's not that you wait for your class to start, but also you can join with that class as well. ऐसा होता है ना थ्री इडियट्स में कि बस यूनिफॉर्म चाहिए होता है. That is what they told me. I would like to come back here in future to pursue my PG diploma in other courses. So, hello everyone, I'm Simone Khadri and I'm pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering in Biotechnology from the Oxford College of Engineering. And I am very much interested in sectors like clinical research and again anything related to microbiology or bioinformatics. So I would like to combine all of these research areas or fields and develop something very creative, and that is the reason I am here at Clini Launch. So pursuing my bachelor's in the Oxford College of Engineering, and I am from Bangalore. I came to know about Clini Launch through word of mouth from my classmates and friends. I chose to join Clini Launch because it offers so many courses, advanced diploma in UG and PG and healthcare, health clinics. So that is why I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to excel and upskill my levels in educational background, and also it offers placements, the placement trainings, and they have assured me that they would provide me with 100% of placements. So yeah, I'm looking forward to have very good placement opportunities with Clini Launch. To be very honest, the environment is really good. I was really surprised and I really felt so pleasant entering. The moment I put my foot in Clini Launch, I was really happy because the ambience is good and first of all, cleanliness matters to me a lot and it is actually very clean. The maintenance is really good. And when it comes to the trainers, they are friendly. They explain you in a very simplified manner, and even if you have a simplest, like the tiniest of the doubts, they simplify it in a very nice way and just explain it to you. There are so many companies which have a joint venture with Clini Launch, like Pfizer and Cipla. So yeah, that is my aim. So I would like to get into any of these companies. My first day was very exciting, and I came here with my friends and classmates. So again, it's an add-on to that, and again, it was really nice because you get to know so many things which you are not aware of. And also, it's not just you get into a classroom and study a particular subject or a course which is in the curriculum. No, the trainers here, the other faculty, the staff, they encourage you to get into the other classrooms as well, like the other courses. If a class is going on, it's not that you wait for your class to start, but also you can join with that class as well. ऐसा होता है ना थ्री इडियट्स में कि बस यूनिफॉर्म चाहिए होता है. That is what they told me. तुमको यहाँ पे वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस यूनिफॉर्म चाहिए, किसी भी क्लास में घुस जाओ, थ्री इडियट्स देखा है ना. So yeah, I really correlated with my engineering, so I was happy with that. Whatever the trainer and the faculty, the staff told me. So I would like to conclude by saying that in a nutshell, I think I will have a really nice and friendly bond with everyone here, maybe like my trainers, future trainers in Clini Launch. And also I would like to come back here in future to maybe pursue my PG diploma in other courses and upskill my career background.